Denise.
And I'm Georgie.
And we're the Happy Vegan Couple. So, Georgie, what's new in the Happy Vegan Couple house?
Well, we got a new appliance for convenience, and it is called an Instapot. And wait till you see what we're going to make in it today.
Now, I bet a lot of you know about the Instant Pot. You've been hearing about it. There's lots of Facebook groups that post about it. And so we finally decided to do it. And so the other day, Georgie was trying a recipe, he's experimenting now, and we made a green split pea soup, and it was really flavorful and good, but the amazing thing was it was so easy. So I said, let's make this our first Instant Pot recipe. Now, we do have a green split pea soup in our videos that we did a long time ago, one that you make on the stove, but this is a different recipe. It's very flavorful. It's got a lot of herbs in it, and we know it's like cold in lots of places right now. It's January here in Tucson. We're great. We were bike riding yesterday and hiking, but
73 today.
But not like that everywhere else. So we thought we'd give you a good soup that's nice and warm and so easy to make, right, honey?
Really, it's just simple, just real quick and easy. 15-minute prep time and in the pot, and you're ready.
Yeah.
So.
And we're making it today for
our music jam in our home. This is the second one that we've had.
We have a lot of fun here in our Happy Vegan Couple house. We have this big room that we've kind of left vacant so we can have some events here. We're starting to do that more. And today all these musicians are coming over. And Georgie and I are going to play our African drum. And I'm going to play my new ukulele that I'm starting, right?
Yes, we are.
So anyway, things are going good. And if you haven't heard yet, the Happy Vegan Couple is going to be speaking at their first Veg Fest.
Yes,
yay! Because we love to speak. And I put together this great slideshow a couple months ago called Successful Strategies for Eating a Whole Food Plant-Based Diet. It's all the tips and strategies that I've been learning for several years, the way we eat at home. So anyways, we're going to share that in Scottsdale, Arizona on the weekend of March 17th and 18th. So if any of you live anywhere near Phoenix, it's going to be a big festival on Scottsdale's waterfront. Supposedly maybe 5,000 people are going to come, and we're so happy to be a part of it. And we're happy to go talk anywhere, because if you can't tell, we're happy about being whole food plant-based eaters, and we want to share it with everybody.
Yes, we are.
Right, honey?
Exactly.
Okay, well, anyways, let's get to the cooking, right?
Yep, let's do it.
Really fast cooking.
Real easy. It's already ready. I'll just show you how to throw it together.
All right, coming right up.
Okay. Okay, everyone, let's get started on my green split pea soup in the Instapot. What I'm going to do first is show you all the ingredients and tell you what they are. At the end of our video today, the recipe will be posted up there, and it'll show the amount of everything I'm going to tell you what to put into the pot. So, Denise, if you want to come in a little closer, we'll kind of tell them what we're going to be putting in there. We got green split peas first, rinsed them off. Then I got white onions, green onions, garlic, carrots, celery, yellow potatoes, 1 bay leaf, smoked paprika, basil, thyme, nutritional yeast, chili powder, and salt. Now, my liquids will be veggie broth, it'd be 4 cups, and 2 cups of filtered water. So, I'm going to take it and I'm going to throw everything in this pot, and it's going to cook in 15 minutes with about a 20-minute release of air, and you're ready to eat. So you ready to throw this together, Denise? How's that?
Sounds good.
Okay, here we go. Split peas first. Everything in the pot. Onions. Green onions. Garlic. Carrots. Celery. Yellow potatoes. 1 bay leaf. Smoked paprika. Basil, thyme, nutritional yeast, chili powder, salt.
Now, we're not putting in hardly any salt, but you could leave it out.
Right, it's 1 teaspoon for the whole pot. You can leave it out if you want. I got 4 cups of veggie broth from Trader Joe's. To me, this is the best. I love this veggie broth. It's very thick and rich. Okay, 2 cups of water from our new cup. Thank you, Drew. Now, I'm going to take the lid off. Going to put the lid on. We're going to that's locked. Make sure that my vent is closed so that it doesn't lose any of the pressure. Then I come over to the front. I'm going to push bean, chili. I'm going to want 15 minutes, so I'm going to minus a little bit. And you have high pressure, and that's it.
You mean it's going already?
It's going. That's all. That's all you got to do.
That's
all you got to do.
Amazing, isn't it, Georgie?
That's all you got to do.
Now, some Instant Pots
It's telling me that it's on. It says on. It takes a while for it to get hot, probably 2 or 3 minutes, and it's going. So that's how easy it was.
Now, some Instant Pots might not have that button that says bean chili.
Right.
So you'll just figure out which button you need to press on yours. It might just be a manual button.
Right.
We're
15 minutes and let it cool down naturally, releasing pressure. Make sure that the pressure is released and stir it and serve it. It's ready.
And this model, we bought a 6-quart. It's called the DU060.
Yes.
So that's our model number, just in case you're wondering. They have several different kinds.
So we're going to let it cook, and I'll come back in a little while and show you what it is.
All right, Georgie. Back in a little bit, huh?
Okay, yes it is.
Well, while the soup's cooking, we just thought we'd give you a glimpse of how we set up our house for one of these great events, because Georgie does a nice job with it. So I'm going to turn the camera around and just give you a little preview of how that works. All right, so here's our big room, and we've got our, well, those are our drums and my little ukulele, and we've got our nice big space here with the chairs, and we recently got these rugs to cover up our wood floor, and we got a bunch of percussion instruments, and then in here is where Georgie's gonna serve. He's got a couple tables because we're gonna have a vegan potluck.
Hey, here I am.
And we're happy because not everybody here is vegan who comes, right, Georgie?
That's right.
But we're happy that they're going to participate. Okay, well, that's just a little glimpse, and we'll see you when the soup's done. Bye. Hi, everyone. Well, the soup's done, and our music jam is about to begin. The doorbell may ring any minute, so we're in different clothes, but we wanted to show you the end of the soup. So I'm going to turn this around, and Georgie's going to open the pot, and hopefully it'll look good. Okay, here we go. All right, Georgie. Let's see what this is going to look like.
As you can see, it was 28 minutes of releasing steam after it cooked for its 15.
Okay.
Okay, so up on top, I'm going to release whatever steam's left in there.
Oh, yeah, there's a little. I see it.
You can notice I'm using a knife quite a ways from it. You don't want to be hand over that hot steam.
All right.
Okay, then I just flicked up the other lever and let the rest of it steam out.
Okay.
Should just take a couple seconds.
Well, what's the other dish you made for our music jam today, Georgie?
I made chickpea salad.
And we have a video of that, of course, on YouTube.
Well, you can't really see it through the...
This is always a favorite. And yeah, we're going to have some good Dave's Killer Bread for it. Right, Georgie?
Yep. Dave's Killer Bread.
All right. Well, should I pause this, or is it gonna be in a moment?
This should be okay.
All right.
Always be caution. Always take caution.
All right. So now,
pick that up. Let me get a spoon.
First glance, still looks like it's bubbling away.
Oh yes. Oh yes. We'll take the bay leaf out of there. And stir this up a little bit more, and then we will give it a taste.
Wow, I don't know how you're going to taste because it looks like it's steaming hot. But as I said, the doorbell's going to ring, so we don't have a lot of cool down time.
Let me get a spoon.
That's action here at the Happy Vegan Couple House. No, Georgie, don't burn your lips.
Already it's great.
Does it smell good? Mm-hmm. Let me just show a close-up shot of it in the bowl here. Let's see if I can get it. Oh,
there you go.
Uh-huh.
A spoon.
Yeah. All right. Well, Georgie, you say goodbye for us, huh? I won't reverse it.
It's perfect. It's perfect.
Till next time. I'm Denise.
And I'm Georgie.
We're the Happy Vegan Couple. Bye. Remember, recipe on end.